Okay, hopefully you're able to see this. Now, this is, I'm doing this video about making holiday cards. Now, hold on, I'll be right back. Okay, I'm right back. Sorry about that. I should have grabbed these cards. Okay, I'm only going to show you the ones. Okay, I'm going to show you the ones that have public addresses. I'm not showing the addresses of my friends. Okay, here's one I made for the Hudson Museum. Hopefully you can see that. See that? You see these stamps here? I used these two from, what do you call them, gift tags to seal the envelope. We always get these from like Easter seals or Easter seals, the DAV, whatever that is, Department of Veterans, of American Veterans or whatever. Christmas seals we get. Use this stuff. I mean, use this. You know, gussy up your own cards. You get these cards and they're pretty plain, like this. That's pretty plain. Why not make cards that look really nice? Use what you got to make what you want. You know, stamp it up. There's more stamps. Let's see. I don't think I have any cutouts. My cutouts are on the inside of the cards. Okay, so now these are embossers, embossing plates. You can use them. Here, I'm going to use my drink here. Hopefully you can see this. You can outline it. You know, use them as stencils. And make these nice. Let me see, I'll get one of these mechanical pencils. You know, you can outline this. Get some colored markers. Crayons will work. Colored pencils. Even paints, if you're good at painting. I'm not so good at painting, so I end up making a mess. Now, one thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to put some, like, you see how I got this plastic bag under here? I put that down so I don't, whatever I do doesn't mess up my counter. I got enough marks on here. I'm going to have to repaint it come spring. You know, that'll, something waterproof that'll prevent the paint or markers or whatever from going through. Now see, you can shade this in. I got a marker here. You can shade this in. And even if you don't have many markers, because I only have this red one, I have a blue one, I have a black one. That's all I got right now. And I have no colored pencils. My crayons are missing. I'm not going around digging for them. So anyways, I'm just working with blue, black, and white. And usually I leave the stencil on when I do this. It'll make it a lot easier. You know, get it closer to the corner. But I'm trying to show you how to do this. You know, and then like that. You know, just color these in. You don't have to color everything in. But just make it a little bit nicer. Okay, and then you can take one of the, you know, you can take some of these seals. I'll do one with owls. I'll make an owl themed one. Here we go. And get a little stamp right there. Let's see what, yeah, you got your stickers, you got your seals, you got your stamps. I got this cute one. It's a little cat hanging from a tree. Let's see though, I'll use a pumpkin. Take your ink there. I'm going to make a stamp right there. Maybe do a little shading in on that. Let's see, I'm going to use my pencil to shade in the stem and the little vine coming out from it. Write your own message. Put a happy holidays. And prosperous. Watch me spell prosperous wrong. Prosperous New Year. And from me, put from me in a different color. From Julie. And then up here you can put, I know I'm going to get, let's see, hold on. Okay, I've got this fuzzy owl stamp, or sticker. Right there. And then I can put a moon sticker over in the corner. No, I'll put it over in this corner. I've got a embosser for stars. I'll put stars on there. I mean, this can go as fast as slow or slow as you want. Me, I overthink these things, so it takes me a lot longer to get these done. I mean, I've been known to spend 45 minutes on a single card. And not all working, just trying to figure out, you know, most of it's figuring out what extra stickers and embellishments to add to it. Me personally, what I do is I make more embellishments for, you know, I do less embellishments for businesses. I do more embellishments for people I'm close to. You know, let them know that they're a little bit more important to me than just some rando customer, business customer. So anyway, see? There we go. Oh, my little Easter seal came over. See that? I don't know if you can see it. Anyways, yeah, and then even the front. Even the front you can do something too. Like here I got some butterfly, a heart, let's see, we'll put a flower on here. A flower, and then inside the flower you can even put another sticker. I've been putting these stickers inside a sticker. I mean, see, you don't have to be somebody that does scrapbooking often to just, you know, embellish a little bit, make it look a little nicer than what it is. I mean, it's insulting to receive a Christmas card or a holiday card. And I'm sending out Christmas cards this year, holiday cards, and I'm sending out some Hanukkah cards. I'm an atheist, so, you know, Christmas, Kwanzaa if I can, whatever gets me the most gifts. But anyways, so it's pretty insulting when I just receive a card where, like, somebody bought a package of cards and they just signed them and sent them. It's like, what does that even mean? What are you telling me? You know, I was worth, you know, 5 minutes of your time. I mean, you can even write, you know, if you can't figure out anything to write in the card, because maybe like Facebook them all the time, or you're Twittering them all the time, or whatever. I mean, just make the card look nice. You know, you got that in front, and then in the back, these gift tags that I was telling you about. Let's see. I'll do a candy cane one for this one. The to from. You can put that on the back. And you can put, who's that next on my list? Should have figured out who was next on my list. See, I have my list all written out of people I send my Christmas cards to every year. Some of these people, most of the people I never get a card back from, but that's okay. Let's see. This one's to the Hudson Post Gazette. So on the back, I'll write to, I'll just put the newspaper staff. The news staff instead of newspaper. From me. See? And on the back, you can do that now. Well, let's see, I'll put my stamp on there. I got the snowy date. Well, no, I'll use the Eid stamps. Here. I'm not going to put my return address on there yet. You're not going to get to see that. But there's the Post Gazette, so, you know, public. They could use your subscription because they're just a small local newspaper, so I'm sure they wouldn't mind their address, which is in the yellow pages, to be advertised. Okay. Mark it. I know silence doesn't make a good YouTube video. Okay, so on the let's see, on here, let's see, I like this little stencil. That's a poinsettia. I've heard people say poinsettia and it's poinsettia. I was raised with poinsettia, but I've heard so many people call it poinsettia. This is how you say it. Well, I'm going to have to, no, the snowman's too big, poinsettia is too big. Okay, so I'm going to do, eek, that's too big. So no embossing place on this one. Let's see what I got. Okay, I'll do a cat. Everybody likes cats, except the weirdos. Okay, I'll do that. Oh, on the inside, one of the neat little things, you can put a little stamp up there. This is what I do. My partner brought me this stamp. It's totally handmade with a frog on there. And you put that in there. You can also put a hello stamp. Hello stamp on the inside. We got some snow, snow, snow. Yeah, we'll do some snow. And, well, now here I can do my poinsettia. And just outline it. And I mean, you don't have to do these for all your cards. I mean, like, if you want to send out generic cards to, like, your doctor or, you know, your library, whatever. And then do this special stuff for your friends and family. Oops, went out of line there. That's a good idea, you know, it'll save you a lot of time because these do take a lot of time. It takes a lot of time to do this. Come up with the ideas. Get down to doing it. And if you work full time, you can't do this. So maybe just have 4 or 5 cards every year to special people that you do that for. Again, we can put another little sticker on the inside. There you go. Got the other side. Let's see, we'll do another Easter seal with owls. Well, maybe I don't have any more owl ones. I think this might be the same owl I was using, but I'll use it. Oh, wait. Hold on. I don't know where I just put the card. See, this is the biggest thing about doing this. You're constantly going to lose something. Oh, there it is. Dry throat in the wintertime. Nope, it's a different owl stamp. These are the Christmas seal stamps. And then on the front, again, these tags, you get so many of these tags from all these charities wanting you to donate. Might as well use them. So I put another tag on the front. There's a tad bit covering my poinsettia. And I put to the new staff for me. And see, there you go. You got a nice card. You got a nice envelope. No, I can't open it again. Oh, try and open it again. Slowly. Oh, I kind of tore it. Eek. Messed that up a little bit. But anyways, you got your nice card and your nice envelope. And see, even that, you know, you just run through it real quick. Don't think about it too much. It won't take you much time. And that's to let them know that you care about them. Instead of just getting a card, signing your name, putting a stamp on it. Why bother if you're going to do that? You know, personalize it. Otherwise, it means nothing. Okay, talk to you later. Bye.